Hi, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Elizabeth.
Welcome to
What We Thought.
So tonight we're going to do the drawing, or today we're going to do the drawing for the herb scissors. So let's just get with it.
Okay.
Okay, so I already have the video link in here, and I'm going to filter out duplicate users, filter by comments, herb scissors. Herb scissors, one winner. We're going to do duration of 10 seconds. 5 plus 2 is 7. Get the comments. 8 unique comments. Let's start. Okay, Meg's Mysteries. All right, that is Marie from Meg's Mysteries 8968. All right, well, let me give you the details. Congratulations, Marie.
Congratulations.
Okay, Marie, that's Marie from Meg's Mysteries 8968. I'll leave a link down in the description if you're going to go check out her mysteries. And Marie, email us at whatwethought@yahoo.com. And we need to have your name, address, and phone number so that we can get it shipped off to you.
Sounds good. Thank you so much for watching, and join us for our next drawing.
Yep, we'll be doing another drawing here pretty soon. We may get another video in before the next drawing, but anyway, thanks for watching, and come back, hit the like and subscribe, and see what else we come up with.
Thank you. Bye.